Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a rosemary and garlic artisan bread. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we need flour, water, yeast, salt, fresh rosemary, and garlic. Combine your flour, salt, and yeast and whisk well. Then add your rosemary, garlic, and water, and combine until you form a shaggy dough. Cover with plastic wrap and let rise for 12 to 14 hours at room temperature. After your first rise, stretch and fold 3 to 4 times. Cover with plastic wrap once more and let rise for 30 minutes. Preheat your pot in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your 30 minutes has passed, remove your pot from the oven and generously flour the bottom of the pot. Plop in your dough, cover with the lid, and bake in the oven for 35 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 35 minutes, remove the lid and return the bread to the oven until your desired crust color has been achieved, about 5 to 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy!